How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps for your Amazon Firestick device in 2025. And without any further ado, the first step you are going to take will be getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. So to get Downloader, you will go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You'll click on it, and now that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually stop Downloader, you have to go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon. Then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open that, and now in here you will have to turn on developer options for your Fire TV. But on some Fire Sticks, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to move on here. Just go to About, select Fire TV, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And now from here, all you have to do is locate the app called Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. Let me open it. And there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire TV. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just have to go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let me open it. And in here, just locate Downloader, open it up as well. Now just wait a bit. And when the app opens, all you have to do is open this little search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 647190. So once again, 647190. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. That literally took us only a couple of seconds. Then click install and make sure that the app gets properly installed to your device. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, which is right here, let's open it. And there is this amazing new app which we just got. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.